Caleb Peevler here with MarineMax Panama City Beach, standing in front of a legend, the Boston Whaler 130 Super Sport. Tactical skiff with the absolute easiest usability, keep me clean, nimble performance, shallow draft, just probably the boat that's been owned by the most people in the boating industry. A boat that's been around since the late 50s, more than 60 years old. Are we pushing 70 years? 57. So this one specifically is in Glacier Green. It's so nimble and shallow it can attract a Sasquatch or even a child of Joe Dirt. So this one specifically is a Glacier Green full hull color. This one does have the chrome Boston Whaler logos, similar you'd see on its big brother, the 420 Outrage. The boat itself is a SUV in the sense that it's used for so many multiple purposes. You've got individuals that this is going to be their only boat. They're going to keep it on a lift behind their house and run the intercoastal waterways. They're going to have cocktails. They're going to go to dinner. They're going to go explore the, skinniest draft that they can find. There are also those that are going to pull this behind a motor yacht. There's going to be people that are going to use this as a tender. This is a safe boat to use as a tender because it's unsinkable. This boat could be cut in half, cut in 4 pieces, cut in 8 pieces like a pizza. Every piece will still float because of Boston Whaler's closed cell foam technology. We get a big whack and know that the boat is solid. There's a reason these boats last for 60 plus years is because they're built with well-built 316L stainless, high quality closed cell foam, thick gel coat, thick laminate fiberglass, and just an all-around great build quality. The big reason the boats are so popular is it's because it's a lot like riding a huge jet ski. You're in the comfort and safety of a tender and unsinkable boat, but that nimble performance keeps a smile on your face and keeps you running around like you're on a jet ski or a motorcycle or something of that nature. If you haven't ridden a 13 Sport, you're missing out. If your daddy didn't raise you on one, he didn't love you. But it's a boat that provides a lot of opportunities, a handful of options such as windshield, locking glove box, a few different seating configurations, bow cushions, etc. But it's an opportunity that us down at MarineMax Panama City Beach could get you in on the boat. Love to get you out on the water. And you can check out our website, MarineMax.com. You can also check us out on YouTube for more of our walkthrough videos and get a look at everything we've got to offer. Thanks again. My name's Caleb Peevler, and this is the Boston Whaler 130 Sport.